Friday, December 2nd. And we got a restock in today of some of our favorite bags. So I want to show you because they make great gifts. And I know you're going to want one. So these are all from Eric and Christopher. They are out of Pennsylvania, screen printed in Bucks County. And they are small, medium, and large. So these smalls, I love. They're just perfect size. Throw in, be good for a little quick trip to the bookstore or the library or taking stuff out of your car and carrying it back and forth. Perfect. These guys are 24, the small ones. So we have the fox, which is very sly. We have this very sweet horse, right? Just love the way it looks. Screen printed photographs. This is When Pigs Fly, right? Something good's gonna happen when pigs fly. Love his attitude. And last but not least, in the small ones, this cute little bunny with the sparkly tutu. See, these are all 24, right? And then we have one medium kitty, and this is very interesting. This was the pet photo contest winner for 2022, and it's Izzy the cat. Izzy is $34, a little bit bigger. Love Izzy the cat though. And then the big bags, which are 37. These are the sweetest donkeys. Oh my gosh, just nuzzling and feeling so cozy. It's a nice giant tote, great for a quick overnight or a ton of stuff, whatever you need. These guys are 37. And last but not least, these sweet kissing horses. Oh, love these, right? The dapple and the darker one, maybe black or brown, and their heinies on the other side. Love this bag, 37. You want to give it as a gift, I know. Perfect, it's useful and cool, right? All right, it's Friday, it's 5:30 and it's pitch dark outside. It's hard to, it's like, is it time for bed or is it time for dinner? It's like, what? Anyway, December 21st is when we start heading back the other way, right? It's all good. I didn't cough tonight. It's a good sign. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.